On the 1st of January 2016, Float buys a car for $12,500. The value of the car decreases by 19% each year. Work out the value of the car on the 1st of January 2020, giving your answer correct to the nearest pound. Okay, first of all, what you've got to do is work out what is the multiplier for a 19% decrease. So that's going to be, you can work that out by doing 1 minus 0.19. 0.19 because that's the multiplier for 19%, which is equal to 0.81. So you can think of it, each time a year passes, you only have 0.81 of its value left. So how many years will there be between the 1st of January until the 1st of January 2020? So to find the actual amount the car's now worth, you take the initial amount, which is 12,500, multiplied by 0.81. So 1st January 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020 means that's 4 years. So you now raise this to the power of 4. All right, and that, if you do that on your calculator, that will give you 5,380.84. However, make sure that you give your answer to the nearest pound, so that 8 will make that 0.81. So it gives me 5,381 to the nearest pound. Make sure you read these things carefully in IGCSE questions. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to do consecutive percentage decreases. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.